Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this video I will explain whether two strings are anagrams or not. So what do you mean by this? So first of all let's run this code so that I can explain what are the anagrams strings. So let's run this cell. So you can see, so it is asking me to enter the first string. So let's enter silent and now enter the second string. So let's enter second string. So you can see silent and listen are anagrams. So what do you mean by this? It means both the words are made from same characters. You can see the same characters and frequency of every character is same in both the words. Mean S is there is only one S here and there is only one S here. Similarly one I here and similarly one I here. One L here and similarly one L here. So now let's run this code and try some another output. So enter first string, hello, enter second string, and you can see the output is hello and level are not anagrams, because you can see there are two L's in hello. Similarly there are two L's in level, but there is only one H and there is no H in this level. So now I will explain how you can build this code. So let's try. Now let's create a new file so that I can explain the code. So I will write the code from scratch. So first of all let's take input from the user, and I will use the strip method to remove all the spaces, leading and trailing spaces. And similarly I will take another string from the user. Okay, that's fine. Save it. And now I will create a function to check whether these strings are anagrams or not. So I will pass these both strings into this function, anagrams function. And first of all what I will do, I will convert these strings to lowercase. So s1 dot lower or s2 dot lower. Okay, and then what I will do, I will check if length of s1 is not equal to length of s2, and then it will return false. So for both the strings to be anagrams, the length of strings must be equal. So let's save it. And now what I will do, I will check if I will call these functions in the if statement, if are anagrams s1 comma s2, and then I should print. I will use the and here I will pass s1 and s2 are anagrams. and else are not anagrams. So let's save this, and now let's run this. So enter first string, you can see the output. Enter first string. So let's say first string is hello, and enter second string, and it is, let's say, bye. And you can see the hello and bye are not anagrams because length of these strings is not same. Okay, so that's why I have explained this part. If length is not same, then I will return the false. Okay, so now next what we will do, we will create dictionary. So I will create two dictionary. So count one for first string and count two for second string. And what I will do, for each of the character in string 1, what I will do, I will update the value in dictionary. So count one character is equals to count one dot get 0 plus 1. So you can see, if I move the cursor here, you can see it will return the value for key if the key is in the dictionary, else it will return default. So if the character is in the dictionary, then it will return its value, and otherwise it will return the 0 value if the character is not in the dictionary. So I will update all the characters in the dictionary. Similarly, I will copy this, and now I will change for character in s2 string 2, and here I will change the count 2, and here I will change the count 2 because count 2 will be my second dictionary. And now what I will return, so return count 1 equals to count 2. What does it mean? It means if if uh, if both the dictionaries are same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Before that, you can also print the count 1 and count 2. Now I am printing dictionary 1 and now dictionary 2. So let's save this and try to run this code, and you can see enter first string. So first string is silent, and enter second string. Second string is listen, and you can see I have created the dictionary, and you can see from the dictionary S is 1, I is 1, L is 1, E is 1, N is 1, and T is 1 in silent, and similarly in listen. Okay, so these both strings are anagrams, and I have also converted these strings to the lowercase. Okay, and then I am checking the length of the strings, and then I'm creating the frequencies. Okay, let's try with another input. So enter first string, let's say hello, and enter second string hello, and you can see the H is 1, E is 1, L is 2, O is 1, and similarly here. And these both dictionaries are same. These both dictionaries are same, so these are the anagrams. So I have checked whether two strings are anagrams or not with the help of uh, dictionaries. So let's try another input. So enter output. First string, let's say, is have, and enter second string is case, and you can see these are not anagrams because dictionary values are not matched. Main important code is this one. You can see I am it will return the value for the key if the key is in the dictionary, otherwise it will return 0. So very simple code I have created to dictionary, and for every character in the dictionary I am updating the dictionary keys and their values. That's all. I hope you have understood the concept. So how to check whether two strings are anagrams or not? This is very important code for interview point of view. Thanks for watching.